Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Goudergo 52cc Folding Power Broom. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: easy to maneuver. Lawn sweeper has a directional positioning caster on the front for easier balancing and directional selection, making it more convenient to use. The lightweight and detachable structure of this gas broom make it easy to carry. High cleaning ability. Thanks to the robust gas power sweeper, not only removes dirt and leaves effortlessly, but also reliably clears snow and grit from driveways and sidewalks in winter. With its 2-stroke petrol engine, yard sweeper has a powerful horsepower, 1.82 kW, 2.5 HP, which allows it to clean large areas quickly and efficiently. Power broom working speed 10,500 RPM and a sweeping width of 23.62 inch, suitable for professional use for cleaning construction sites, farms, streets, driveways, parks, and other flat surfaces, but can also be used privately. The motor of this gas broom adopts an air-cooled motor engine, and the brush head is made of aluminum alloy, PP, which is tough, wear-resistant, and corrosion-resistant, extending the service life of the broom. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.